You saw me get beat up one time, now I can't fight no more. I took an L. I took an L. Whoever, if you ain't took no L, you ain't no man. Man, please.
You took an L before?
Hell no. I don't take L's.
Me neither.
I don't take no L's.
I ain't been agree with that.
As long as I got feet to run with, I ain't taking no L's in no fight. Well, I look like standing there and let somebody beat me.
That you know gonna beat you up.
That I know gonna beat me.
Yeah.
And God gave me 2 good big feet. What's up, y'all? I'm here today trying to avenge all these losses I got. So finally ran up on a challenge that I might can conquer. Today I'm gonna do the no burp challenge. So I'm just gonna get right into it. No further ado. Hey, it is what it is. I'm Trey. Yeah, let him use you.
Let's go, baby. You got it.
Yeah, I got this. Y'all hear NeeNee in the background.
Yeah, I'm back here on Rudy Tootin'. Let's go. Slow down, babe. So you won't burp. Okay, okay. Okay. Okay.
Ain't really all that hard.
For real, you ain't got a burp? Man, hell no. Man, you sitting up there. I knew it. Move. Let's go on and get through with this mukbang. Really? You gonna sit there and just...
Hey man, I tried, man. I tried.
He tried. He tried.
It just ain't in my nature to win no challenge.
He tried it.
Ain't in my nature to win no challenge.
You did good though. I get up for the first swallow. 2 swallows.
Hold on.
1.5. It's over with.
I'm gonna tell y'all a secret. The only reason I burp because I'm on that medication. If it wasn't for that right there, I probably would have won, hands down. Hands down, I would have won.
Alright, I'm gonna let you have that.
But whatever. Anyway, what's up, y'all?
What's up? What's up?
Man, we here today. She's gonna try to take over my little challenge and bring some peace out.
I was trying to root him on, but hey, it fell through. So what's the next thing?
That was impromptu, man. That was impromptu. I tried to hurry up and do something before she came out with this pizza. But anyway, before we get into this video, like, subscribe,
and comment, cause you know I like to talk.
Y'all know NeeNee like to talk. Ain't nothing talking in the world. Talk.
Really talk more than I do.
Bruh. Really?
Really. Comment
down below who y'all think talk the most.
Please, if y'all don't do nothing else on this video, comment who talk the most, y'all. Please. Pretty please.
Anyway.
Trey or NeeNee?
I already know what they're gonna say.
Who?
You.
Okay. Let's get it. Drop them comments.
Drop the comments. Anyway, before we get started, we're gonna have to bless this food, man. Can you do the honors?
Yes, I can. Oh, I ain't know.
Y'all see that selfie just coming out? Yeah. Problems in the household.
Anyway, no, never. Don't. Dear Lord, we thank you for the food we're about to receive in the nourishment of our body, Lord. We ask if anything is about to be harmful to this food, that you protect us, Lord, that we don't take any illness behind anything that we're partaking in. And Lord, we just thank you that we were able to do this with our friends and family and everybody else. So Lord, we just thank you. In the name of our Father Jesus Christ, amen.
Amen. Yes.
Scratch your head. One thing I can do is I can.
How you feel that? You feel me turn and look at you?
Yeah.
Ooh, that's deep. Yeah. That's deep right there. Oh, get what I got for you.
What?
Yeah. Bought some scratch offs. You get 2. You can pick the ones you want to pick.
How the heck you gonna pray like that and then pull out some scratch offs after we just got through praying? How you gonna do that?
God damn. I ain't gonna even say that. Ooh.
Yeah.
Y'all said she try to be all holy. Pick 2 scratch offs. Which one you want?
Yeah, I got these because you gonna move them to the side.
Let's scratch them on, see if we win anything right quick.
Yeah.
Let's go.
I got some
Use that.
Nah, I use quarter.
Oh, okay. You got the split. No, I don't need no quarter. Every time I don't ever want something,
I keep changing. I have to be at the vending machine.
Run it up.
Then I get that on this table.
Run it up.
I need my glasses.
Run it up. She wanna know if she won or nothing. I could have sworn I saw it.
You ain't see it.
You ain't getting nothing on that. Oh, normally, when you see a number one, there might be a winner.
Inside.
Yeah. Signs of money.
I can't see.
Damn. They cheating me on this. What is it?
Oh, I thought I had.
Oh, I got something. I'm scared to scratch it off. Who? I got something. I ain't scratched it off yet. Look.
That's a 6. That's a 6. What you got?
I don't know yet. I ain't scratched it off. Can y'all see that? I got something.
I'm mad. Yo, you
Oh,
trying
a
to
damn
trick me.
ticket.
Ticket better than nothing.
Hey.
What you got?
Want $10?
Oh, you
Oh,
got
hold on. Oh, it's 12?
What?
Right here. 6? Ain't that a 12?
You done scratched
I didn't try to do it. It don't matter. As long as it's that's a 12.
Yeah.
Want $20? I ain't. That was already like that. I promise you.
You got $20.
$20. Hey, $20. We rigged. Hey.
Let me see. Oh, I'm sitting up here finna throw this away. Oh, that's a 5. Yeah,
She thought she won something. She thought she won something. Anyway, we're gonna keep that 20 right there for the road.
Yeah.
Get this thing out.
Yeah, we got garlic, parmesan,
Chicken. You look pretty good though while you playing.
What's this, cheese?
Just doing a little something.
I ain't never ate
Can y'all
that.
see it? Ooh.
Yeah, go on and throw it out there.
Thing got some feet on it. Yeah.
So what's up? What it do?
What y'all doing out there? We dropping them now. That's pretty good.
Of course, my favorite pizza is
Meat lovers. That's what this is.
Papa John.
Meat lovers. Papa John's alright.
Oh, they good.
I mean, I can eat Papa John's as long as it got that garlic sauce. I can eat it then. But other than that, I can't eat it.
Pizza Hut don't put no tomato paste on their pizza. I don't like a lot of it, but they don't use none.
Yes, they do. It's up under the meat.
I don't take it.
It's up on there. Right up under them. And one thing about pizza, it fills you up, especially with that thick crust. Then we had Pizza Hut. Dude tried to be a little disrespectful. You don't holler at NeeNee. Like, he ain't holler, he was just like,
He trying to be funny.
yeah, he was like, what did he say, excuse me?
Like he didn't know what I was saying.
Yeah, she was asking for the menu. He said something, what did you say? I forgot.
He was like, he said, can I take your order? And I was like, yeah, we just need to see a menu. What, a menu?
Yeah.
And you was like, yeah, menu.
Yeah, a menu. Everybody in there cracked up. And I watched him the whole time making this pizza too. I don't trust him. Cause them black hands he had. Like you just got out of work. Got another job.
I didn't see it, man. Don't tell me that.
That's
Well, I
all.
don't eat.
More like that.
He wasn't the one cooking anyway.
No. Had Billy Bob back there cooking. You taste that chicken yet? Is it good? I'm gonna try it
Chicken
out.
ain't fried hard, and I like my chicken hard.
Oh yeah, you told her too, extra crispy. Pizza Hut. We said extra crispy.
And sending all this. The best Parmesan wings is at Wingstop, y'all.
I can't remember. You right. You right. I can't even flex.
They are so good.
I can't even flex on that.
You know?
Nope.
I'm gonna ask you to see what you're gonna say there.
No. Them wings by the flea market?
What we want?
Glenwood. Not Glenwood, but County Road.
Oh,
The one you used to get over there?
on McAfee.
Mm-hmm. Thing was off the chain.
Y'all like wings and pizza?
I do. I don't know if I want. I had chicken earlier today at work. Oh, gotta say this, man. Shout out to all the men that came to the school today for our annual Real Men Reads.
Oh, that's what's up.
Yeah.
How'd it go?
It went good. It went good. Had some of the players, the football players, came over, read books.
You gotta speak?
Did they speak? The players?
No.
Oh.
Like do a speech or anything.
Oh no, they were just reading books. Just reading books for the kids. I'm about to say speech. I wish they would walk in there and not speak. But shout out to Bob Mathis Elementary School
Woo-woo.
principal, Mrs. Blackwell, assistant principal, Miss Hill. Top notch. Top
Shout
notch.
out.
Top notch. Well, I was good that they put that together. The sad part is, when you walked in there and brought me lunch, all the men was in there looking and whatnot. I'll turn that school out.
No, you won't.
And I will. Look,
You ain't bad like that. You're a good person.
you saw me get beat up one time, now I can't fight no more. I took an L. I took an L. Whoever, if you ain't took no L, you ain't no man. Man, please.
You took an L before?
Hell no. I don't take L's.
Me neither.
I don't take no L's.
I ain't finna agree with that.
As long as I got feet to run with, I ain't taking no L's in no fight. Well, I look like standing there letting somebody beat me.
That you know gonna beat you up.
That I know gonna beat me.
Yeah.
And God gave me two good big feet. Two good big feet God gave me to run with. Got myself there and fight with nothing.
You crazy.
Hell, I'll run from you sometimes. One thing about women, boy, they'll make you jump when they get mad.
I already know y'all don't believe none of this nonsense Trey over here talking about.
Yeah, they do. I cannot wait. What we got in store for y'all at this sing off. I know y'all waiting. I know y'all anticipating. I know y'all like, when they gonna do it?
We just waiting on
That,
something.
whew, that anticipation. Something serious.
I don't know where he's so eager to get beat, bro.
Get beat.
Mm-hmm. Ooh, whoa, 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 whoa.
You ain't saying nothing, NeeNee. Woo, 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 woo. Y'all go.
Woo. Ooh. I look the man drop so. Ooh.
That's what you on today?
Yep.
Well, comment down below. Again, if y'all think NeeNee talk too much.
He always wants y'all to go against me.
Comment down below if y'all think I'm gonna get NeeNee this ticket I won $20 on. Or should I give it to him?
You know they gonna say you should.
Who?
Just because he's the person and the good man and husband he is, he gonna give him.
Yeah.
But
I might. You know what? Since you brought that
I'm
subject
not
up.
gonna accept it.
Since you brought that subject up, let me ask y'all a question. If you ran up on $50, would you give your wife or your girlfriend or your spouse, whatever, would you give them half? Would you tell them? Do you split everything down the middle? Comment down below. Cause some people get money, don't even tell you about it. I can find $2 on the ground. I'ma say, NeeNee.
Wait a minute, who you talking about?
It don't matter. A hit dog will holler on you. Boom!
I got 2 legs and I talk.
Oh, you just a good train one then. You know that's funny. Not good. Not good. I'm scared.
You should be. But anyway.
Anywho, we were just playing one with y'all thinking we can argue. We don't argue. When we argue, it's so quick. It'd be like this. Who you looking at?
What?
That's over with.
What is you talking about? You need to stop playing. That look like a bunch of Alfredo sauce.
Mm-hmm. Chicken sauce?
Looks like that I have to throw back in the oven.
Right. It ain't bad. It's just salt. Oops.
And it got good flavor.
Oops.
It's just soft.
Yep. Anyway, man, we just want to come on, say hey, say what's up, let y'all know we love y'all. Can't wait to meet some of y'all. What is you doing? Just doing. Anyway, man, she just doing whatever she want to do. We'll holler at y'all later, man. Peace.